Hi Yar.
Hey Jelle, how are
Hey.
you?
Good. How are you?
I'm super happy to be here.
Nice. This time from Amsterdam.
Yes, I'm very happy to be here in Amsterdam.
Happy to have you here.
It's been a lovely week. It's a bit cold.
It is.
It's very nice to be here with the team, with the NOCO team.
It's typical Dutch weather, I would say. Rainy and gray, but really nice to have you here. Today, I want to talk about a tool that I, as a designer, have used before. It's called Relume.
Yeah.
I mainly use it to create wireframes, but you showed me something a couple days ago, let's navigate us through why it's such a powerful tool for SaaS and tech businesses.
Yeah, Relume has become such an important tool in web design. And I've seen a lot of designers nowadays use it, not even in Webflow, but just in design on other platforms. And it's becoming a very extensive library. Like I think they have around 1,400 components now, even more. They're building components for React, so there are web apps, building components for Figma, building components for Webflow. And it's getting really, really interesting. And nowadays, they're adding these features with AI, which is making this tool very powerful for much more powerful than wireframe designing. And it's becoming really interesting.
Nice.
Yeah, I would love to show you around more about how this tool works.
Yeah, please.
So right now they have this dashboard. So first of all, there is the libraries of the components. So there is a Figma library, as you can see, and these are connected per a plugin on Figma. And there's the Webflow library. Of course, as I mentioned, there is over 1,400 components. So let me log in. So now they added this site builder. So the site builder is basically an AI tool that lets you do the site mapping and the wireframing on the go. So say it's something like, say you're on a call with your client and you're on a kickoff call, you have the ideas of the project, you have the brief, and you want to showcase what's possible or how much of a sitemap can we build. And now with the help of this tool, you can do this right on the call. So
Which is great.
Which is amazing. I mean, it saves a lot of time, gives the clients and gives the designer more things to project towards, which definitely cuts a lot of time, cuts a lot of cost. So I just want to showcase it here. So this is the site builder. And as you can see, it has this prompt field where you can prompt, basically just like prompting ChatGPT. And we have a test prompt. I actually prepared something for a mobile first SaaS platform. So as you can see, you can give it the prompt, and then you can choose the number of pages, say 1 to 5 pages. You can choose the language, and then you click on Generate Sitemap. And you can see it does
It's fast.
It does it right there. It's super, super nice. Gives you suggestions for sections. So this is a sitemap. This is a ready sitemap. You can generate the rest of the content on the pages. So it does that in seconds. You can, of course, iterate on this with the client and then go further. So once this is ready, the sitemap is ready. Of course, as well, you can export this to Figma, the sitemap. And then you can go into wireframes. So here's wireframes, and you can see like the AI is filling, generating all the content. And this is based on the prompt that I gave it, like even choosing the name of the company that I made up. And yeah, it's giving me all these components. And it looks like half the work is done. Like it's almost ready, and this is done in seconds. Again, you can do this on the call with the client.
Yeah, this is really powerful, and I think it's really valuable as well, because let's say you have an idea, right? But you're not sure if the idea it's not validated yet, right? You just want to test it, throw it out to the market, and see how visitors react to it. This can be super powerful to first, create this idea, turn it into an actual, design, basically, with the help of AI. And now the next step is really interesting, because this is currently wireframing stage, right?
Yeah.
No styling at all. But the next step brings this even further.
So right now they released. So first I'm going to show you something they released in beta. So this is a sneak peek of a feature they have been working on, and I'm super excited to have this done in the real version. So it's a style guide feature. And this is basically going further on my wireframes and giving me some sort of a concept. So I can here, let's say, shuffle between the colors, shuffle between the fonts.
Or even adding your own style guide, probably. Your
or
own
adding,
colors.
exactly. I add my own preferences, and then I can have a concept that, okay, this one didn't look that good, but the idea is to have a concept that you can right away, you can see it, right away with some colors without going into Figma or Webflow. You're just doing this right there within the tool. This feature is new. I think they released it in beta last month. We're still up until recording this video. We can still export. That's in progress, but that's coming very soon. However, for now, if let's say now that we finished the wireframing stage and I have, let's say, my style guide set up.
Yeah, which is all already built in Webflow.
Exactly. So Relume uses the client-first style guides, the client-first framework, sorry. So if, let's say, I have my client-first framework set up on my website, I can here pull in this page, and it will take shape of the styles that I already set up, let's say the buttons and all that. So, for example, I have this project, for example, as you can see, this is the style guide, and I already have my buttons styled and it's set up as per my designs. And then if I go to, let's say, a clean page and I copy this one.
Just with copy paste.
And it's just, exactly. You click on the whole page and you click Control C and you go to Webflow and you just Control V and it's generating. Yeah. So now you can see it pulled it up and it has the styles of buttons. Everything is as per how I set it.
A lot of time, right?
Definitely.
I mean, I'm a huge fan of custom design. As you know, we at Noco only build custom designs. But generating a quick idea without wasting too much time, validating it.
Yeah.
I mean, this is super powerful for SaaS and tech businesses, right? Like to validate a feature, a product feature, for example, bring it into the market without needing too much time to focus on it, because your style guide is already in Webflow. The wireframing is already done, so the structure is there. You can tweak it a little bit, put an A/B test on it, try some different messaging within a couple hours, I would say.
Exactly, yeah. Like things like A/B testing. This is perfect for that, because you can pull it up really quickly. Okay, I want a component that is picture here, text here, and then I want another one, the picture on the other side and text on the other side.
Yeah.
A/B test it. You can build this in like you said, in a few minutes or 1 hour max.
Yeah, this is bringing it to the next level, I would say.
Yeah, and I'm super excited to see what these guys are gonna pull off next. However, I see this advancing even further. I mean, we have had a look at the Webflow AI that they're building, and it's something kind of similar to this. It's just pulling some preset components, and then you get to style them on Webflow.
So let's say you need a footer, for example. You can just generate a footer quickly, and then just add it in your Webflow design, basically.
Yeah, but these footers are like preset. I mean, they're like, let's say they have a pack of 10 footers, just like Relume. Like there is a set of footers. And they choose, like, when you generate what we generated with the prompt, it basically pulled in from the library some components that it thought this will be relevant and made it into a page. And that's what Webflow AI is kind of doing. And I see with this, this is going to advance.
Oh, this is going to advance fast, basically. But I mean, if you go to the beginning of our 20 minutes, right, you just add a prompt, basically a couple lines of text. It's all that you did, right?
Yeah.
Creates a complete sitemap, creates a complete wireframing structure. You copy paste it into Webflow, and it just quickly adapts to your style guide that you build in Webflow.
Exactly. Like now all I have, like even my content is there, even the text is there. It's aligned with the prompt that I had. I have some features and some stuff, and all I have to do here is just upload images.
Wow.
Of course, I mean, it can do further, but let's say I have a quick project to pull off. So I'm a SaaS company. I have a quick landing page to pull off. Something came urgent. A new event came urgent. Yeah. So I want to pull something really quickly. I have a website. I have a full-on website where I have the style guide, and here where I can just go to the prompt, tell it I want to release this product.
Steps to your style guide.
It creates something. I have it done.
Can you also show us, let's say this button, for example, is orange, right? Like, let's say you change the color in your style guide. What happens to this?
Yeah,
layout?
so if I, of course, these are all connected. So this is my style guide. Say I go to my buttons, and right now it's a gradient. Let's say if we just change it to perhaps green. I know you're the designer, so you're probably not liking this, but
You're doing a good job.
I'm trying my best. I'm the developer. So for me, it's just about functionality, about it working well. So as you can see, like we changed it to green now.
Yeah.
And if I go back to that page, you can see
It's green.
It's
So it's also already connected to everything inside your style
Exactly,
guide. Yeah,
exactly.
I mean, this is a really quick way to validate your ideas, definitely. And again, I mean, AI is getting more advanced, and this probably will also be more advanced in the upcoming time. So really looking forward where basically where Relume is going to be in a couple of months, maybe from now on.
Yeah.
But really interesting, man. Thanks for sharing this.
Yeah, most welcome. Yeah, I see this like, I mean, AI and templates and components have always been there. I mean, AI is more recent than the others, but having something like that can really speed up the process. I mean, of course, it's much better to build something from scratch.
Definitely, yeah,
but
always.
Sometimes in some situations, it's speed. And at the same time, you want something efficient, but you want to launch it really quick. I mean, some event happened, and it's a quick thing. I really need to pull off a landing page. So in a case like this, having a Relume style guide set up, having this preset ready for me to just publish anytime is really, really helpful. It can save me a lot of time. These components are all responsive. They come proper tablet, mobile responsive.
Yeah, so it's already built for responsiveness.
Exactly. So I don't have to worry about anything. So if you see, like, if I choose mobile, it's already going vertical. Everything is laid out well. Everything's laid out properly.
And the text is already written as well.
And the text is already written. So I'm halfway there. Like,
and of course there will be some changements here and there. You will probably adjust the text here and there, but it's nice that you have the core is already in there. And as you said as well, like oftentimes we get last minute requests, which needed to be done in like maybe an hour sometimes, right? Then this is really good way, to deploy quickly.
Exactly. I don't know if we can, but I remember recently there was the Trump administration. They made this meme coin, and they launched the Trump meme coin, and they launched the website, and like it was like a day, like there was no announcement, there was nothing, and it just launched. And then we looked it up, and it was made with Relume. It was made with Relume components on Webflow, and probably that's why they went for Relume.
Probably,
because it's the quick solution.
They wanted to quickly launch this landing page.
Yeah.
They had this coin. They're like, oh yeah, shit, we need to, have a landing page for this. So why not use a Relume combination with Webflow?
Exactly.
Easily, fast deploy it. It's nice to see that these bigger organizations are also using these solutions right now.
It's like it was. I'm sure they chose it. They did the research. I mean, they're a bigger team, but having this is something like they chose this because it's efficient. Of course, Webflow has a good back end. It hosts on a safe servers that perform really well. So having that and something that can build fast with AI, so that's Relume, with the combination of those two, I can really pull off quick, efficient websites that can scale. They can easily go further.
Nice.
So,
well,
super nice.
Great feature, Yar. Great tool. Really looking forward. Maybe in a couple months we'll talk about it again.
Yeah.
Maybe when they have some new improvements. Really looking forward to that.
I'm eager to see the style guide feature.
Yeah.
Because I've been in touch with them, and they released it. They showcased some of it. I mean, I'm not supposed to say this. Maybe it's a bit confidential. But it's looking really cool. Like how they export the style guide to Figma, to Webflow. It's like this, but 10 times faster with some images and more visuals to it than just like the style guide. Wow. It's gonna be really cool. I'm looking forward to that.
Nice. Well, we keep everyone posted about this. And
yeah, I recently made a video. We launched it on the Noco YouTube channel, and that's basically how to make quick marketing landing pages using Relume, and how this process goes, and how, you know, if you have the style guide set up, how you can go in and prompt and get the page ready in just minutes.
Yeah, sweet.
15-20 minutes video.
Good stuff. Good stuff. Nice. Well, thanks, Yar, for this interesting 20 minutes.
Most welcome.
Really nice AI, Relume, build in minutes.
Yeah.
Well, hours, but still really fast. So interesting, man. Thanks.
Yeah. Super. Thank you to be here. I mean, again, I'm very happy to be with the Noco team in Amsterdam, and looking forward to this year, seeing all the advancements that's going to happen.
Nice. Me too. If you loved this video, please like and subscribe. We will dive way more into topics such as AI, no-code for SaaS and tech businesses. So please follow us, and we'll keep you updated.
Yeah, exactly. A lot more is coming. I'm a very big fan of making content, so we're going to be making a lot of content. So make sure to stay up to date. Definitely. And connect with us on LinkedIn, YouTube, all the channels, and you'll see a lot more of us this year.
Yep.